Hello, we have here a quadratic equation that will be solved using the quadratic formula. But since it is not yet written in standard form, let us first transform it into that form. And this will become 4x squared. Here is our bx, so let's move it here on the other side of the equal sign. So we're going to have here negative or minus 20 plus 25 equals 0. And now, since our equation is already written in standard form, we can get or take the values of a, b, and c. So let us have our a, which is 4, b, which is negative 20, and c, which is 25. And again, we will be using the quadratic formula. So again, quadratic formula is x equals negative b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And with this formula, we will substitute the values of a, b, and c. So we're going to have now x equals negative times b, which is negative 20, plus minus the square root of b, so that's again negative 20 squared, minus 4 times a, which is 4, times c, which is 25, divided by 2 times a, which is 4. So we have now x equals negative times negative 20, that is positive 20, plus minus the square root of the square of 20 is 400, negative 4 times 4, that's negative 16, times 25, that is negative 400, all over 2 times 4, which is 8. So now x is equal to 20 plus minus square root of 400 minus 400, that is equal to 0, and the square root of 0 is 0. So we will no longer write the answer since that is 0 over 8. So x now is equal to, let us simplify this, and this is equal to 5 halves. Therefore, the value of x is 5 halves. So if you'll notice, we only have one value for x. It means that this equation has only one solution. Or if we're going to graph this equation, the graph will only touch the x-axis once. Okay, and we're going to discuss that on the following days. So again, the solution to our equation is 5 halves. Let us have the checking. Let us check if x equals 5 halves is a solution to the equation. So again, the equation is this one, 4x squared plus 25 equals 20x. Substitute x or 5 halves to x. So we're going to have 4 times 5 halves squared plus 25 equals 20 times x, which is 5 halves. Let's first get the square of 5 halves. So we're going to have 4 times the square of 5, which is 25, over the square of 2, which is 4, plus 25 equals, we can actually cancel this. So this will be equal to 1, and this will be equal to 10. Both divisible by 10, by 2 rather. So 10 times 5, that is 50. So we can cancel this. So we have now 25 plus 25, that is 50, which is the same on the other side of the equal sign. Therefore, our answer is correct.